Hi guys, once again here. I'm really disappointed because most of you haven't taken advantage of the times I extended for the activities, only a few of you, so it is going to be very difficult for you to finish the course. Just to show you one of the advances that you got. For example, if you can see in this graph, I marked Claudia, Franchelli, Urbano, Iris as the students who has the best rankings, yeah, and some others that are in the fight like Alejandro, Douglas, Cynthia, Felix, Beatriz, Adriana, and Erandi, that you have sent some activities, but well, I think if you do an extra effort, you can reach your goals. In this case, I'm really worried for those who are in red. For example, David, Manuela, Catalina, Maria del Carmen, Ariadna, Lluvia, Alonso, Claudia, Iris, Luis Armando, because you send some activities but there are missing too many. So please do an extra effort. Up to now, there are some activities that are open up to the 8th of July. So please take advantage of this and do the activities. And in the activities that were for this week, I have also some news. Well, in this case, when we talk about the activities, I gave extensions to all of you to July the 1st for Unit 1. I extend some others to July the 8th and July the 8th to Unit 2 in order to update. Only a few of you did it, only a few. So in the future, I mean in these 2 weeks that we still have, I will give extensions only to those who directly require by phone. You have my number, so, and it is written here. Please send me a message telling me, Miss, I need an extension for activity 14, and I will give the extensions. I have no problem with that. But the idea is that you finish the course and that you can pass. But if you don't do your effort, sorry, you are not going to pass. So it's going to be complicated if you don't do your best. Okay, so the activities that finish today, Wednesday, July the 3rd, is 2 forums and 1 of descriptions. This I haven't given extensions yet, but I'm going to give it to the 8th, yeah, but please do it. In the case of the first forum, my favorite joke, only few people have participated, I think 6, and the same happens to the forum what I like and dislike. And in the case of descriptions, only 5 students have sent homeworks. I haven't graded that because I'm waiting up today. Today it's closed, and tomorrow I will grade, and then I will give extensions if you require it. If you don't require it, if you don't ask me, Miss, I need an extension of activity 14, I need an extension of activity 16, I won't. Okay? Wow. Going over the activity. In the case of my favorite joke, you have to share one joke and explain in a sentence why this joke is funny for you. For example, I have an example here of Iris del Carmen Palma and Felix Pérez Clara. But the ones who have participated in this activity are Claudia, Franchelli, Urbano, Beatriz, and Iris and Felix from Jalapa. Well, for example, here in the joke that Iris shared, it says Orlando arrives at his house and his mother says, Orlando, how did you do on the exams? And he answered, as in the North Pole, mother. How? Everything below 0. Okay, here is because in the North Pole it is very cold and it is below 0. So he is really wrong in the exams. So I gave the highest because it's easy to understand. In the case of oh my God, in the case of Felix shared a joke that is for kids. It says, this is my newborn brother, okay, my baby brother. Oh, it's so beautiful. How is he called? I don't know. I cannot understand a word of what he says. So the joke shows the tender innocence of children. So they are so tender. Okay, so I graded well. Just 2 mistakes that I think they were typing, and in the case of as it, we don't call a baby it, it's a he, and as instead of as, you have to say how because it's a question. As is just a connection. Okay, wow. So this is in the case of favorite joke. It's very easy to participate, so please do it. And in the other activity that we have, that is what I like and dislike, I gave 2 examples here. In the participation of Urbano says, a normal day for me is easy. It is when I wake up in the morning, go to work, and return home in the afternoon, and I am with my wife, we talk, and we fall asleep. The weekend we go to soccer. So if you continue reading, you never see things that he likes and dislikes. So I answer, I can't see any sentence on likes and dislikes. Please add them. Okay, I'm not saying that what he did is wrong. No, it is easy to understand. But the problem is that in the activity, I'm asking descriptions of things that you like and dislike. I have another one of that is Beatriz, and Beatriz also described his date, but also add things that she likes and dislikes. For example, here she says, I like listening to music, but I dislike listening sad music and reggaeton. So in this case, I see the sentence showing likes and dislikes. And in the other one, I like watching TV, but I dislike TV commercials. Okay, with that participation, for me, in the like and dislike is enough, and the other is correct. So, but what is stressed in this activity is to show that you can contrast something you like with something you dislike. Okay, so please, in this activity, only Claudia, Francelli, Urbano, Beatriz, Iris, and Felix have participated. I can wake up today in order you can have your grade. Okay. In the other activity, as I told you, I have not graded. I just grade the ones that had an extension. This I will grade tomorrow because it closes today. Yeah, but only I'm telling you a lie. I grade Iris. Iris is already graded, but today I hadn't have time to grade. But Iris, I think I don't know if it is Iris or Claudia that I grade, but you can see the grades tomorrow, and if you have corrections also you will receive, but only 5 people. The problem is that we are 23 in the group, 23 active students, and only 5 is very little. So please guys, I really want you to go over the activities. These ones I'm showing here, the ones that there's 14, 15 and 16 close today. Please, as soon as possible, get on date. Please respect the dates that we have for the classes because it's very difficult. Yeah, so remember that the day we finish, then we have some vacations. If you send enough activities as to reach chance to do corrections during vacations, I will set 1 day of my vacations to grade you. Okay, so please get updated as soon as possible. I don't want too many reds in the next diagnostic. Okay, for example, if Claudia decides not sending any more homework, she already has 6. Yeah, the same happens to Iris. and there are too many that are missing, of course, yeah, but the idea is that you do it. I really want you can do the activities that are missing. Okay, so please, I will be waiting for your classes, for your for your homeworks, and ready to grade. Thank you very much. See you the next time, I hope.